Youth of G.S.B 69 Ganeshotsav palaita sa tumi G.S.B Seva Mandal adakunu. With us we have Ninad Vaidya. It's very nice to come here and take blessings of Bappa. How happy are you, sir?
Extremely happy. Extremely happy that I'm one of the fortunate who can witness this so closely, and very happy. Every year I'm very happy to be here.
So every year you're coming here.
Absolutely.
Since how many years, sir?
I don't have the count, but I used to stay nearby at Dadar. So every year we used to be here, for sure.
It's very nice talking to you, sir, and all the best for your movies as well. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you.